Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to import contacts using CSV file via Contacts app. You can see here our module Devimport VCF contacts. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to contacts and see here total available contacts is 73 and I want to import here Edward and Thomas. See here this menu, click on. Now upload here your file and click on this import button. So now available here 75. It means Edward and Thomas is imported here. Now search here Edward. See here this Edward and Thomas. Thank you.